Hi, this is GT03235 back again to do another video. Got my wife today a nice little carry gun. Didn't really want it, but for the price Roy paid for it, couldn't turn it down. It's brand spanking. It's clear, by the way. It's actually made by a company called Jimenez Arms Inc., which is out from Las Vegas. I believe it's the old company who used to run Jennings. I had a Jennings before, 380. This is very similar. As you can see, I got pretty small hands, and it's a very light gun. It's 25 ACP. So we're going to fire a couple of shots off now. Tiny little magazine, tiny bullets. Use an eyes. Clear. So there you are, that's a nice little carry piece. That's something which is quite concealable. Put it in your back pocket, even when you've got a fat ass like me. Quite easily put it in your front pocket. Could probably get away with hiding it under one of my folds, but we won't go that far. So there you have it, Jimenez Arms Inc., 25 ACP, nice little carry gun. It'll suit my wife Jules down to the ground. So there you have it. Hi, GT03235. Back again, short video, you know the scene. This is my wife's Taurus PT22. It's a 22 long rifle. I think I got this for about 12 months ago. I originally hated it with a vengeance. But since it's had more ammo through it, it's got to be kept superbly clean. Otherwise it does not function correctly. Now this is the barrel pops up on it. Now you load this differently to a normal semi-automatic. Normally you load your magazine, pop your magazine in, rack it. Do not rack it on this gun. If you rack it, you'll damage it. You actually put a round in the chamber. It's a double action trigger. Let me just load a magazine up quickly. I'll just put a couple in here. Okay, ready to go. Ears, eyes. Now, I don't think that's the gun's fault. It did hit the rim. Cartridge did not ignite. So, that was not the gun's fault. Clear. So again, another fun gun, cheap. When I purchased it, I think it was like $200, I think. A little bit larger than 25 ACP I got for her today, but still a nice little gen, great for somebody to learn with, nice and light. So there you have it, Taurus PT22, $200.